Are you building an e-commerce brand? You've probably heard of Klaviyo. It's a powerhouse email and SMS marketing platform. You see, Klaviyo is built to integrate directly with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce. Now let's look at the pros. Number one is powerful segmentation. You can target customers with incredible precision based on their purchase history and behavior. 2. Superior automation. The pre-built flows are industry-leading and highly effective. 3. Robust analytics. You get clear data on return on investment, revenue generated, and customer lifetime value. Now let's look at the cons. Number one, steep learning curve. It is not the simplest platform for absolute beginners. Number two, costs can scale quickly. That's right, pricing is based on your number of contacts and messages sent, which can get expensive as you grow. Lastly, template design. Their email template builder can be slightly less intuitive than some competitors.